Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can change date and the time settings. So at the first we have to go for the settings, then scroll down to the device preference and find date and the time. Next we can set automatic date and time, like in my case, but if you want to change it manually you have to go here and then turn it off. So right now you will be able to set your own date. You can change month, days, year, click here to confirm, and you can also set your own time, hours and the minutes. I'm going to turn on automatic date and time. Below we can change time zone and use 24-hour format. After that you can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.